Hi, nice to meet you. You can call me Betty. Let's start by listening to the creek for a few seconds. Let's cut some rocks. Up until last Thursday, I would have told you that I'd never found a carnelian agate. I think I actually probably had, but not an unmistakable bright red one. So I felt like it was a box that I still needed to tick. Well, consider the box ticked. Look at this beauty. A new friend invited me to go rockhounding. I was so excited. We met up in a parking lot and rode to the creek together. We had on our snowboarding pants and rubber boots, and she had two black labs in the back of her 4Runner. I'd already been sworn to secrecy, but even if I hadn't, we double backed, made a couple wrong turns, and I have no idea where I was. My sense of direction is terrible anyway. I think we were both kind of nervous. She knows my twin sister, which is a little bit problematic. It really weirds people out. They hear a familiar voice coming from a familiar face, but it's not quite right. It can be weird for me too. If somebody comes up and hugs you and thinks they know you, it's weird. Anyway, suddenly we were parked and piling out of the truck. We started walking down a grassy road in a forested area. I had on my hot pink beanie, and I nervously explained that it's so the hunters see me. I'm not a deer. We joked about bear, but it is a possibility. Once we got to the creek, we started finding little carnelians right away. We both found a lot of treasures, and it was a really great experience. Each of these rocks I picked up last week with her. I have glamour shots of each of these rocks at the end of the video, and I took microscope photos of my favorites this week because they are so beautiful, and they're posted at the end of this video as well. The red carnelian agates that I found are so beautiful, but this white one is fantastic too. The thumbnail for this video is inspired by my friend that I went rockhounding with. She's beautiful. Okay, let's look at some close-up glamour shots of these rocks. I can't wait to cut the next rock. See you soon.